There's no doubt about it that during your apprenticeship you're going to learn loads. This means that you'll be even better at doing your job, making you even more valuable to your company now, as well as making you even more employable in the future. It also means that you're going to earn yourself some excellent qualifications. In order to pass these, you'll need to work closely with your talent coach or assessor to provide evidence that you've mastered the different bits that make up each qualification. One way to do this is through a guided discussion. So how does it work? Well, a guided discussion is a formal conversation between you and your talent coach or assessor. Most discussions are used to cover the knowledge and understanding part of your qualification by talking through your experiences at work. Don't worry, there's nothing in the guided discussion to trip you up. In fact, your talent coach will help you prepare for your discussion by giving you a copy of the discussion questions and topics. This will let you know what you need to be able to talk about. It will also let you know if there's any products that you can bring with you to help you explain and describe what you know about the different aspects of your job role and the subject. The more examples that you can give of how you've put your knowledge into practice, the better. Someone, such as your line manager, will be asked to support these examples. In order to answer the questions and cover all of the topics that make up your guided discussion, you might want to do some research before you and your assessor or talent coach meet. Research can be anything from talking to colleagues to going onto the intranet or internet. You can also check out what's available right here on Fuse. There's space for you to make some notes on the guided discussion form, so you can record what you've managed to find out about each topic. Why not send a copy of your notes to your talent coach ahead of your discussion? That way you can get some feedback to ensure your discussion goes as smoothly as possible. Remember, they're there to help. In all, the guided discussion will take about 45 minutes to complete. If it's taking place over the phone, then you'll need to make sure that you're in a quiet environment where you're free to talk and where you won't get distracted. The discussion is really important, so you need to be able to give it your full attention. Your talent coach or assessor will ask if you're sat in a comfortable spot before you start, so make sure you let them know if you need to move somewhere better before you get going. The discussion is your chance to take the lead and talk through all of your notes and evidence. You'll be asked a few additional questions to gain further information when needed. Guided discussions can be tailored to suit you, so if you have any specific needs or requirements, then it's important that you let your talent coach know so that they can take them into account. This might include stuff like having the document printed on coloured paper or in a particular font and size. They will adapt the discussion to suit you while ensuring that it covers the criteria for your apprenticeship. When you've completed your guided discussion, your assessor or talent coach will provide you with some feedback and let you know what areas have been covered. This means that you'll have a clear idea of what it is that you will need to focus on ahead of your next visit. So there you have it. Remember that if you have any other questions about your guided discussion or any other part of your qualification, to ask them using the Ask button at the top.